that the trial conducted so far. Trial police navaru madodu, court navaru madodu trial. What is this? Lord, I don't think your lordship should allow all these things to happen. Let them not go scot free.
What is this?
What is this, my lord?
Allala, Prasanna Kumar sir.
Not probably.
Record.
allegation.
Alla, probably alla.
No,
Indicate that the
using
trial
kind of force,
conducted so
syndicate,
far.
no end of itself.
Alla,
What is this?
trial conducted so far was a stage managed, tailored and partisan trial.
This is
Idea idu?
section same copy ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. This is not ready reference.
Really, our statement of objections only one sentence ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು 216, 217 ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Only they speak of merits. We collected this evidence, we collected that evidence and all that. Let them collect anything. And kindly turn to paragraph, ink page 36, paragraph 38. Then how far your lordship would countenance, or does it warrant any action at your lordship's hands against the investigator in the case?
The thing is, everything is now upheld by the Supreme Court. sir.
ಅದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 36. But I am not on those things at all. Now I am only basically in
So, the
Not the
the only thing I have to answer is 230, 231 or 217.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ kindly go to paragraph 38, ink page 36, first paragraph, last 3 sentences.
Para 38.
Para
Which
38,
page?
ink page 36 of the counter. Does it warrant action against the investigator or not is a question now.
Prosecution as well as the accused
No, my lord, it is
takes up a fresh trial in the case.
it is submitted that the material on record would also indicate that the trial conducted so far was
Perfunctory.
was stage managed, tailored and partisan trial. And who, against whom he is making such a serious
The state investigating agencies.
Agents who are now accused in this very
No,
case.
I'm
Trial.
sorry.
How
Are you
Sorry.
saying? No.
You are not making an allegation with you are making allegation with the court. Trial.
Rashmi kindly come.
Trial is conducted not by the policeman.
Alla, para 38, sir. Para 38.
Yes, my lord. It is submitted that the material on record would also
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಓದಿ
indicate
ಅಂತ.
that the trial conducted so far. Trial police navaru madodu, court navaru madodu trial. What is this? Lord, I don't think your lordship should allow all these things to happen. Let them not go scot free.
What is this?
What is this, my lord?
Allala, Prasanna Kumar sir.
Not probably.
Record.
allegation.
Alla, probably alla.
No,
Indicate that the
using
trial
kind of force,
conducted so
syndicate,
far.
no end of itself.
Alla,
What is this?
trial conducted so far was a stage managed, tailored and partisan trial.
This is not to indicate
Trial.
the role played.
Trial
The role
police
played.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ.
The role played by
ಮಾಡೋದು trial.
ಅವ್ರು ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, it pains me a lot.
Alla, this, why did you use the word trial?
Not the role.
Not by the court.
The role played by not the state agency.
You should have been.
For now
clear.
the accused.
You should have been clear in that.
Not therefore, that's what I have said in the previous not lines. In the not a reading of not this paragraph number 38, not in its entirety would indicate
That's
not
all
my
right.
not
Why should you
statement
use-
was against
use
the
the trial?
state investigating officers. But I have clearly stated, Lordship will find not the second line.
No, perfunctory ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
Investigation
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
conducted
ಆಯ್ತು.
with the state police.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. Why did
Allegation
you?
was the allegation not
Trial
here. in this-
conducted so far is partisan and what do you
Allegation
mean
is,
by
no,
that?
my submission is allegation in this paragraph is purely against
But it is
not
this
the
IO.
officers.
It is this IO who had secreted this PW5 and took him and kept him in his jeep. Although he was summoned before the court, then later he appeared before the court. He said, IO had kept him with me. What do I do? But this calls for your lordship's. This you are cashing aspersions on court. In court, what did the court do? Tell me, sir, what did the court do? Did the court
But I have made myself
indicate
clear.
trial conducted so far was stage managed, trial, and then tailored, and then partisan trial. Trial can't be partisan. Trial is trial.
Use of words very important, sir.
Of course.
But this calls for some serious look at your lordship's hands in the event your lordship.
It's something more which calls for much more serious, not the interference at your hands. Not your lordship may kindly take
Yes.
chart not that I have given to your lordship,
Yes, sir.
which is also not part of the statement of objections.
A1 is the companion petitioner,
Not
right?
your, please, not your lordship not have been repeatedly asking, not as to your lordship may not kindly, may not trouble again, not with 216 subsection 4, because the order not is under section 216 subsection 4, which indicates if the altered charge, by virtue of the alteration of charge, should cause prejudice to the accused or the prosecution. Not both, not it is a
Yes,
distinction,
both.
or the prosecution. Then not it shall, the trial, not the court shall order a new trial.
What did you do to say that you are prejudiced?
Not your lordship may now kindly have a look at, not the chart, not that I have now brought to your lordship, kind note how both the prosecution as well as the accused are prejudiced in this case, not in the absence of a new trial under section 216 subsection 4. Your lordship may kindly have a look at not accused number 1. Not in the first column, not I have stated the role attributed may not to this accused in the state charge sheet, but he was may not stated to be an assailant. Not in the investigation conducted by not CBI, not kindly come to the second column. Not he is only a chief conspirator. The whole role may not played by this accused may not completely changes. Then may not the provisions may not have stated. Then not kindly not similarly accused number 2 was shown as assailant. Accused number 3 was shown as accused number 4 was also not shown as assailant. However, not all these accused persons, not they were only conspirators, not with the other not accused persons. Not accused number 15, not in the third supplementary charge sheet. Not your lordship not kindly come to not the serial number 7. Not from serial number 7 onwards, not he accused number 7, he is the real assailant. Not he was not even investigated. Not he was not charge sheeted.
A7.
Not this A7. Not who was now may not being charge sheeted, not by us. Not same is may not the role given to accused number 8, who is the real assailant. Accused number 9, the assailant. Accused number 10, accused number 11, accused number 12, and 13 and 14. But these are all the assailants who are not even investigated by the state agencies. Therefore, not in the absence of not these the actual assailants, not somebody accused number 1 to 6 are shown as assailants. Evidence is conducted, witnesses are threatened. Not, then not kindly have a kindly have a look at. Not after this accused number 15. Not accused number 15, not at page number 4. But he was a chief conspirator who is not there in the first charge sheet. Uncle of accused number 15, who had arranged not the country-made pistol, who was not there in the earlier charge sheet. Not these are the accused, not the then investigating officers of the state agencies who had conducted perfunctory investigation and not had implanted this accused number 1 to 6 and filed a charge sheet.